Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm doing an unboxing today. Actually, I've already unboxed it and taken most of it out of the packaging just to save time and cut down on the noise and the glare. So I receive 4 different subscription clubs from Spellbinders. This is my August 2020, and I combine them into one discount club, which is called the Glimmer Groupie. If I were to purchase each one separately, it would work out to be $103.50. And that always includes shipping. Shipping's included. Because I purchased them each together in the discount club, it's $80 combined, and that includes shipping. So it's a better deal, and I almost always love everything. So okay, so the first one is the small die of the month, and it's called Sitting Pretty. So you have this really nice small alphabet, all capitalized. Have these 3 elements here that I think are like ornaments, but they have some little floral and layering pieces that can go on them. And then there's a snowflake. So, and then on the back, they always have an example of something that you can make with the kit. So that's the small die of the month. The large die of the month is a 3D element this month, and it is called 3D Still Life Easel and Canvas. Some of these pieces have to be cut out more than once, like this one for the easel, and they're folded and cut. And so it's something that will take a little bit of time to put together. And there are lots of different elements that go on it. So it makes this 3D easel, this canvas that you fold up the side so it's dimensional also. And then there is a vase, a flower element, some paint brushes, a paint palette, and a paint tube with a little squiggle of paint that can come out. Really, really cute. So there's that. And then here is the glimmer foil for this month. It's called Have a Crafty Day. And this says Crafty Birthday, Crafty Hugs, Handmade for You, which would be beautiful on the back of a card. And then Sending and Have a, so they go with these. And then this plate with all the different adhesives and the scissors and the envelope and the paint. I mean, just really pretty. And then again, there's an example of what they think you might want to do with it. Every month you receive a different foil. This month it's called Aura. You could probably see all the rainbow pieces that come out of that. Really pretty. Okay, and then the last element of what I receive is the card kit of the month. And this month it's called Around the World. It always comes with a card that tells you what's in here, has some examples for you, and then one that it sort of walks you through with these pictures of what to do. Okay, let me show you all the pieces in here. Here is a 6x6 paper pad, which it always comes with a 6x6 paper pad. And there's 2 of each paper. Love these foiled cameras. So we'll just kind of flip through it really quickly. As you can see, it's just all about travel. And then some really pretty graphics. Lots of foiling. I love this one. Relax, Journeys, Passport, You Plus Me. Just some really cute sayings on that. And there we go. Starts all over again. So there's 2 of each sheet of that. Here is the stamp set this month. It says Love is the, and then Room, Key to My, Vacay, Happy Heart, Good Friends Are, The Key to Happiness. I love this little key element here. It says drop in any mailbox, we guarantee postage. So cute. The tiny sailboat, tiny heart, and then it has numbers, 2 different sizes, an ampersand, and a hashtag. Really pretty. Always comes with 10 cards and 10 envelopes. Always double-sided tape, and always these pop-up dimensional squares. And always some kind of sequins. They're pink this month. There is always a die. And this has the circular piece. It has the sort of stand for it. There's the bottom to the stand too. So there's the stand for the globe. And then it has your traditional worldview, and this one has tropical palms, and then there is a sailboat, a water element, an airplane. I think maybe this is a cloud. I don't know. I think that's a cloud. And then here's the little pointer for the You Are Here. Really cute. Here are some butterflies this time. Look at these. They're stickers. And then they've got sort of a foiling to the edges. And then they've got 2 pieces. Really pretty. And there are some chipboard pieces. 2 sides to this, quite a few chipboard pieces. Here are the different die cuts. I'm going to just kind of kind of flip through really quickly. You receive 2 of each die cut. And these, again, all about travel. I love these tropical drinks and the keys. And then there are ones that say Italia, Paris. There's a little transistor radio, windows view to the airplane, more butterflies. There's different kinds of bicycles, 2 different kinds, I think. Some more flowers, some plants. There's some big words. So there's relax, awesome, and journey. And again, like I said, you receive 2 of each of these. Look at this VW van. Isn't that cute? It's got some foiling on it too, but just really cute elements. Another bicycle, some sunglasses. This one is the pieces, you can use them however you want because they all pop out, or use it all together. There are different animals. I think there's 2 different kinds of elephants. Some books, a taxi. There are tickets. I love this one, admit to vacay. There's some luggage tags, just so much stuff. A cruise ship, some cameras, and just a lot. And different things. So there aren't just any sentiment tags in here this time. They say arrivals, vacation, different things like that. Adventure, and then the different Paris and different places. New York, I think, is in here too. So those are all those pieces. And then you're going to receive some 8.5 by 11 paper. I know it doesn't show up as clear on here what the colors are, but this is a pretty bright yellow. There is a gold foil, gold mirrored, I guess, and it's double-sided. A white, a mid-tone pink, more towards light pink, I guess. A light minty green, a light blue, a mid-tone green. This pink is really very bright. And then there is like a navy blue, dark navy blue. So it's quite a bit. I'm going to come back next week with a 10 cards, 1 kit because I had so much fun doing that last month. And I'll also try to come back. I didn't last month end up making anything with those die cuts. I got so busy doing other things. But I will come back and show you what all I've managed to create with all of this. I'm really excited about using it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Links will be below to everything. You can go check out all the different club kits and see if there's one that's right for you. Happy crafting, everybody.